Hi there. I am representing webtrackofficial.org. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.org. In this video I am going to be showing you how you can host your website for free. GitHub Pages offers a straightforward and free solution for hosting your website directly from your GitHub repository. With GitHub Pages, you can effortlessly turn your static HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files into a live website accessible to anyone on the internet. Whether you're showcasing your portfolio, creating a personal blog, or sharing project documentation, GitHub Pages provides a reliable platform with seamless integration with Git version control, allowing you to focus on building and sharing your content hassle-free. So make sure to watch my video till the end and subscribe to my channel. To get started, sign up to GitHub. Begin sign up by entering in your email. Now create a memorable password. Perfect. Click Continue. Now create a unique username for your account. This username will not represent your website's directory, so create it with ease. Once you're finished, click Continue. Now here you need to verify your account. GitHub will ask you some questions to verify if you're a real person. Click Verify to get started. Use the arrow to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. Do the same for next question as well. Almost done. An OTP has been sent to the email address you registered. Enter the code here to complete account protection. Your account has been successfully set up. Now you need to create a new repository where you can upload your website's files. From top right corner, click the plus icon and click New Repository. Define a name for your repository. Note that this name will be included in the URL of your website. Set it to public for global view. Now check Add a README file, and click Create Repository. Now we need to upload the website's files. So from top, click Add File, and then click Upload Files. Choose the files from your PC. Wait for some time while GitHub is uploading your files. Once the files are uploaded, from the top menu, go to Settings. Now from the side menu, locate Pages. Now under Sources, keep it to Deploy from Branch. Underneath it, select the branch, and click Save. Once you have saved the settings, refresh the page and your site will be public. Now click Visit Site. You can also add a custom domain, which will allow you to serve your site from a domain other than github.io domain. To set up, what you need to do is, open up this article by GitHub. The link is in the description. Follow the instructions given in the article to verify your custom domain and connect it with your website files within the GitHub repository. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.